Holding contests and sweepstakes is a free list building method you can use. And there's also a free tool that you can use to create contests and sweepstakes. And I'm going to get to that in a minute. But first, what are the benefits of holding your own contests and sweepstakes? Well, they're great for building your fan base. Contests enable you to engage with your audience, and they also empower your consumers to do the marketing for you and give you that great viral effect. Okay, sweepstake promotions open you up to an entirely new customer base as well, and they also create a buzz around your products. And sweepstakes, they also encourage people to visit your websites. Okay, now to that great tool or a free tool that you can use is ShortStack. Okay, this is a platform that you can use for free to create sweepstakes and contests, but they allow you to upgrade as well to get the most out of your campaigns. Now, there is a business that had been on Facebook for 2 years, and they grew their fan base by 200% in 3 weeks by using ShortStack. Okay, so you can use their tools to generate leads, drive sales, and boost engagement using social marketing campaigns on sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or on your own landing pages and embedded campaigns. You can actually see some examples of contests using ShortStack on their actual site at shortstack.com. Okay, and they also provide you with templates and drag and drop functions. You could even create if this then that scenarios for a customizable workflow. Okay, and you can also integrate your ShortStack campaigns with the platforms you already use, including YouTube, MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact, HighRise, Google Maps, and much more. Now here's a free list building method that I've used a lot in the past when I first started out building a list, and I still use it from time to time. And there's some marketers that continue to do it even after they've built a large list. They still do it on a daily basis. And this list building method is ad swaps. And the way it works is that two marketers agree to mail each of their lists promoting each other's products. So if me and you were to do it, you would email your list promoting my squeeze page, and I would do the same. I would promote your squeeze page. Okay, so basically I would get some of your subscribers and you would get some of my subscribers. Okay, so now where do you find ad swap partners? Well, there's a lot of places online where you can find ad swap partners. You could go to safeswaps.com. Now that's, I believe, it's mostly for people in the internet marketing niche, although there are some marketers in there that you'll find that are in the health niche. You could also go to ClickBank and just contact vendors on that site, people that are selling similar products as you or people that are in the same niche as you. You could also do a Google search and just type in whatever niche you're in to find other marketers that are in your niche and to contact them and ask them if they want to do an ad swap with you. Another place you could go to is the Warrior Forum or other internet marketing forums. For those who cannot afford to pay monthly for an autoresponder account, there are free options out there. And one of the best free autoresponder companies is Listwire, which was launched in 2009. And last I checked, they have over 250,000 customers and have delivered billions of emails on their behalf. You can create subscription forms without having to know how to code or create HTML pages from scratch. And they have all the standard services that most paid autoresponder companies provide. So for example, you could send out automated follow-up marketing messages. There's no limit to that. You could send 10 autoresponder messages, or you could send a year's worth of autoresponder messages. Okay, you could send out broadcasts and one-time messages. There's no upgrades, hidden charges, and there's no catch whatsoever. And there are also no caps on the number of subscribers you can have on any list, and no limits on the number of follow-up messages you can send, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, they also have a great delivery rate that compares well with that of the big boys who offer paid services. They also include double opt-in feature, which prevents fake subscribers. Okay, so basically I've listed all the great things about ListWire. Probably the only thing that I'm not too comfortable about ListWire is that it takes away your chance to present your offer on the thank you page. So that means when a new subscriber signs up to your list, they get redirected to a page that shows ListWire's offers instead of your thank you page. Okay, and I'm assuming they do this so that they could pay for the service that they provide you. Forum marketing. This can be a very powerful list building method if done right. The key here is quality. I know a lot of marketers that have tried marketing in forums and it didn't work out for them. And what I noticed was it was because of the quality of content they were providing. So what you would do is you would go to a forum or multiple forums in your niche and you look for questions being asked and you try to answer those questions as best as you can. You could even try to do some research first before posting your answer. And in your signature area, you provide a link to your squeeze page, and you could also put text there that goes along the lines of click here for my free report on how to lose weight in 10 days, for example. Okay, so again, the key here is the quality of content. And if people notice that you're providing a lot of good quality, they're going to go to your squeeze page, try to learn more about you. You could also try to start some threads and provide more insightful information. That way you can also ask some thought-provoking questions, anything you can to get attention and to get people to start noticing you and the quality of the content that you have to provide. Another great thing about forum marketing and being busy in the forums, helping people out, is that it's a great way for you to meet other marketers or other people that you may do business with in the future. Building a list is one of the best things you can do for your business and for your life, because once you have a list of subscribers, you could mail to them whenever you need some cash. And me personally, I email my list almost every day. Okay. Now the problem is a lot of people don't have the money to start a business or to try to build a list, and there's tools that you need to build a list. So that's why I created this video series, is show you that you could build a list even if you have no money or you're in a shoestring budget. In this video series, I'm going to go over a free autoresponder that you can use. An autoresponder is something that you absolutely must have if you're building a list. And I'm also going to cover other free list building methods and other tools that you can use for building your list.